Hello everybody! In this tutorial I will show you how to create and process photo reports in out-of-home advertising management software. First, we need to open a customer order. We'll be working with order number 6 today. And look at photo reports field. Let's open it. This is where we describe our requirements to photo reports that will be applied to all placements in this order. As you can see, it is required to make a technical photo report, the one that is made on the day of installation, and it is required to do it during daytime. Other options are also available. You can select it to be performed during the night or both during day and night. Lower in the table, we add requirements to scheduled or planned photo reports. While technical photo reports are done on the day of installation, planned photo reports are done according to a specific schedule that we describe in this table. So, according to our requirements here, the planned photo report is to be performed during daytime, 5 days after the installation. And it will only be done once. It won't be repeated. In case the placement period is quite long, it's longer than a month, you can schedule these photo reports to be performed every month or every quarter. So let's get back to the order and open photo reports section. Let's update the data in this table according to the requirements that we have just looked through by clicking Fill in by Add Placements. So, as you can see, technical and planned photo reports have been scheduled automatically according to our requirements. So, technical photo reports will be performed on the 1st of March, which is our placement start date and the installation date. And planned photo report will be performed 5 days after the installation on the 6th of March. Right now, all our reports and works have not completed status. They will be marked as completed when we have added photos that confirm that these works have been performed into the system. So let's pause the order and create an installation work request on its basis. Let's mark all the works and add them to the request. Let's pause the request too. So now we have created a request for works and photo reports to be performed in March. And now we can proceed to installation work order. Let's create a new document, select a contractor and set the period, which is March. And let's fill in the order by adding planned works according to requests. Let's set the filter so that only the works that we have scheduled for our order number 6 will be added. Order number 6 and click Fill in by selection. So here is a list of works from the request we have just created that must be performed, including photo reports that we have scheduled. Let's transfer them to the work order. And let's pause the document. Right now, all the works and photo reports have in progress status. Let's get back to our customer order and see the photo report section again. So, as you can see, the status of planned photo reports have been changed to in progress, while technical photo reports are still assigned with not completed status. Let's go back to our work order. And see how we complete our works and photo reports. So, to complete a photo report, we just need to add a photo. Let's do it now. Select a random image and post the document. Let's open the customer order again. So now we have one work marked as completed. In the same way, we can complete planned photo reports. Let's get back to the order. In the same way, we complete planned photo reports. Let's go back to the order. And select one of the photo reports. Add an image again. And post the document. Now, as you can see, we have two works marked as completed, a technical and a planned photo report. When all photo reports have been completed, which means that you have added photos to all the photo reports in the work order, you can send it to your client by clicking this button, Send to Customer. Select an email which you want to send it to, and select the photo reports that you want to send. Now, there are only two photo reports that we have just made. When you have created more photo reports, they will be added into this table automatically. So this is basically how you create, process, and complete photo reports in the software. In addition to this, there is also another tool that can help you work with photo reports, and it is called Photo Report Schedule. This tool automatically creates a schedule of all photo reports that must be performed. Let's set the period, which is March again. So the program has detected two photo reports that haven't been completed yet. And here, by clicking this button, you can quickly create a work order for performing these reports. So this tool is mainly used for swift creation of work orders for performing photo reports that haven't been completed yet, which is quite convenient in some cases. Apart from technical and planned photo reports, you can also create additional photo reports. These reports can be added in the customer order. You just need to click Add button here and select the ad placements that you want to create an additional report for. Let's select the first one, for example. And here, this additional photo report is added into our table. Manually, we set the date when we want this report to be performed, for example, 15th of March. These additional photo reports are processed in the same way as technical and planned photo reports. So first they should be added into the installation work request, and then into a work order where you can add photos to them, so they will be marked as completed here in the order. So this is it. This is all that you need to know to work with photo reports in the out-of-home advertising management software. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye.